Okay, so I've got lots of vices, right? But fishing is by far my worst vice. I do anything for it. I mean, even when I'm beat, tired, I'll still go fish.
I remember when I first started, I didn't know we were supposed to do this, right? And I just was trying to unwrap it, like just furl it out, you know? Being a guide, I think, is to have everybody feel the same way I do, you know? And find just the joy in it, you know? Just the joy in fly fishing in general. And if people could feel that, you know, they would all want to fly fish, you know? Everybody would want to fly fish, you know, if they could feel the way I do about it. I would like to see Vice Outdoors expand into something more than just fly fishing, you know? I would like it to expand into actual teaching people, you know, like academies, kid academies, you know?
I think it's important to share the stories behind the people that we work with, you know, more than just a product that we've developed.
The truth of it is that fly fishing kind of saved my life, you know? It didn't kind of save my life, it saved my life. And it's beautiful. It is, man. Whew. It's beautiful.
Trust your instincts. Trust your instincts and just go with it. Just find whatever it means to you. It's always gonna be a good challenge, but that's what fly fishing is. You know, that's why we don't chuck bait. It's not as easy as worm fishing. We're out here challenging. And this is a new level of challenge that I'm loving getting into because, you know, there's so much to do, there's so much to learn. You know, I know nothing in this industry and I'm just absorbing. It's a great experience for anybody.
The storytelling aspect of what we're doing out here today and through the company at GuideTime with our guides and outfitters is super important because we never know who's gonna connect with it, who's gonna see something that might draw them in.
At that moment, that's when you know why you do it.
Feels so good.
It's tradition. It's just like traditions. You pass them along to preserve that. And fly fishing is a tradition. It's been a tradition in the family with Matt's dad, and also in my family. It's different way of fishing, but it's still fishing. And we decided that it was important.
This is what we love, you know? And we hope that you love it just as much as we do. And we care about our clients, you know? We care about them, you know? We genuinely want to know how they're doing in their life, you know? My goal is to know my client. I want to know you, you know? I want you to be my friend, you know?
While it is great that we've built software and a product and tools that are actually helpful, I think it's more so the relationships that we have with our outfitters, our guides, the fly shops we work with. Like, it's all genuine. And I think all that stems from a passion for the outdoors.
Why do I work so hard to do it? I don't know. You know, I balance a couple businesses and a regular job, but I don't get tired, you know? It's a passion. It's a need.